Hey guys, happy upgrade day to you. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on where you are in the world as well. So today I woke up this morning and it wasn't long after I sort of had breakfast that I got a little notification on my phone saying that the car was updating, or had an update to install. So I was like, great, go ahead. So now we are going on to, I think it's 2020.12. Oh, I'm going to mess this up. I think it's maybe 16.2.1. I have to look back at this now, I've forgotten already. But yeah, so there's not much in the way of update features in this one. I believe there's a driver visualization, there's a couple of other little bits and bobs to the interface, but yeah, that's about it for the most part. But let's have a look at that anyway now. Okay guys, so we are now in the car. The update has been completed. I am now running the latest software update, which is 2020.16.2.1, I think it was off memory. And yeah, I've obviously just jumped into the car now and it's popped up with this little message to show me what's new in this update. So the first update we can see here, it says is the Tesla Toy Box. The Tesla Toy Box has been redesigned to make it easier to view and play. Simply scroll through the toys and adjust the associated controls. As before, to access the Tesla Toy Box, okay, you should do it from the application launcher from down below. Okay, we'll have a look at that in a moment. Nearby charging sites. Okay, so the charging list has been improved to easily filter nearby charging sites based on the max power. Simply tap the charging icon on the map and filter by selecting the associated lightning bolt icons. Okay then, so I'm guessing that's to do with charging speed. So if you need something quicker, you can select, I guess, the 3 as opposed to the 2 or the 1, and then you'll get that will show you the faster charging one. So I'm guessing superchargers are always going to be up there with 3, but because now it displays third-party chargers such as I don't know, pubs and hotels and stuff like that, that's going to show you what they are capable of in just basic formats. Dash cam improvements. So this one seems quite interesting and is good because the dash cam is now easier to set up or erase. After plugging in a USB drive, tap controls, safety and security, format USB device to format and create associated folders for dash cam. Format and USB drive will also delete any existing clips. So yeah, so if you don't have a computer, this is very good. I mean, most people do have a computer, but if you're finding it difficult, you don't quite understand, you're not computer illiterate, and you don't understand what you got to do and all this whole formatting stuff, all you got to do now, by the sounds of things, is plug it into the slot down here, and then you can do it on the actual car screen itself, and it will just set it up for you how it's supposed to be. It will format it to the correct format, and it will also put the folder on with the correct sort of text so you can actually record to it. And there's backgammon improvements. Now, I've never known how to play backgammon. I don't, why don't you put like mousetrap or something on here? I'd love that. I don't know backgammon. And then it just goes on to the previous ones. So I have also heard that in this one is the new visualizations, which includes pedestrians. So when they appear on here, rather than being that little ghostly figure that just goes woo across the screen, you actually see their little legs walking across. So I've got to pop to the shops now, my local supermarket, so I'm going to go there and we're going to have a look and see if anyone walks past the car before I get out, and whether yeah, whether I can actually see that happening on screen. So let's pop to the shops and give it a go, shall we? Oh, before we go, let's have a quick look here at what we've got. Yeah, this is the way the toy box now appears straight away off the bat. So you've got, I guess you just pick the one, yeah, get cozy. So it's got a button obviously to start it, sketch pad, so it just shows you basically what it is. So I feel like we're missing something here though. So where's all the games gone? Or would that be under something else? Would that be under entertainment? Oh yeah, arcade, right, gotcha. So they're still all there, but yeah, all the other stuff that was in the toy box, I get it now, yeah, is all down the side, and then you can just sort of see it. I have heard Jingle All the Way. Okay, and so yeah, I don't know why there's no button for that one, because it's not very regular that I actually just press the button on the steering wheel and then say ho ho ho. So I don't know why you need to switch it on, but okay. And Rainbow Road. So we have got someone who's just about to walk past the car here. Let's see what happens. Oh yes, and we have the animation. Yeah, there they are walking across. Yeah, he's walking away from me. That's right. He's getting into his car. You see, it's sort of flicking backwards and forwards between the car that he's getting into and yeah, and him. He has actually now got in the car, so I don't know why it's still showing the person there. A bit weird. I don't want to bring the camera. Oh, come someone else actually. Yeah, that's right. They are walking across. I don't really want to show you. You can just see their head there, but I don't want to show you them because obviously I don't want to force people into my video that don't want to be necessarily in my video, you know. But yeah, I literally just pulled up. I was like, oh, here comes someone now. This worked at the supermarket. Yay! Yeah, it still thinks there's somebody there. I don't know why. But that's the car now pulling away. There we go. Right, that worked really well. And there is a person in the distance. Yes, there is someone over there. Look, there you go. And there they are on there. So it is actually working. They've got the freaky animations, or they've got away with the, they've done away, sorry, with the ghost animation now. So that's pretty cool. I'm happy with that. Hang on a sec, is that? There's some strange little grey lines on here. I don't know if you can see that. There are posts over there, so I wonder if that's what it's picking up. That's interesting. Okay, I've never seen that before, the posts. Very interesting indeed. I don't know where that's come from. But yeah, that's cool. And then the grey line, a thick grey line here, I'm assuming is the this line here that runs along here. So yeah, that's correct. I'd say that's all very good. I'm very impressed with that. The new visualizations, that is cool. I am happy. Disappointing. I literally cleaned this car yesterday and the birds have already had another go at it and shat on it. Lovely. Don't we just love pigeons in this country? So I'll keep this short because I do have shopping in the boot that's defrosting and it's pretty warm out. And that's one thing I have found about this car, because of all the glass, it does get really warm in here. So yeah, one other thing as well today before I go on, today at 9:30, you may miss this by the time you see this video, but today at 9:30 p.m. is going to be Dragon launch with the 2 people inside of it. So it'll be the first launch from Cape Canaveral, which has humans on board since I think it was 2011 or something like that. So that's going to be really exciting to watch. So I'm going to be watching that tonight, and I might actually watch it in the car because you can. YouTube works on here, so, and it is going to be broadcasting that, so why not? But yeah, before I finish up as well, I have been contacted by HandsShow lately, and they've basically offered the group and the channel a code, which I'll put in the description below and on the bottom of the screen as well, so you can see it. That'll get you 15% off any of their orders. They primarily do things like the lift gates for the frunk and the trunk, so that way you can basically press the button in the car or on your phone, and even do the kicker thing where you put your foot underneath the car and it'll open the trunk and the trunk for you. So for some people, especially those with like kids and stuff, I have babies and buggies and stuff, that might come in useful for them, especially if they've got lots of shopping as well. And yeah, they ship worldwide for free. The struts, I've had a quick look online, they're around about $500 a piece if you wanted to buy the frunk and the trunk, so that was just over $1,000. It's about £830, and I said that includes your shipping though, so there's no more else to pay. If you want the kickers, that's a little bit more, but you have to look into that. They do lots of other little interesting things as well, which you might find something useful to you on there. The great thing about these struts as well is that they send the kit to you and you build it yourself. You put it in yourself at home. It's meant to be quite simple. I've watched videos online on how to do it, and it looks straightforward. You don't have to do any splicing of cabling or anything like that. You literally only have to drill one hole in the car, which is basically where you put the button to press to open the boot, or so say close the boot, because once the boot's open you can just push this little button and the boot will shut. You have to just drill one small hole in some plastic to do that, but the rest of it is pretty self-explanatory. It seems with the instructions, it seems very simple to do. So I would love to buy one right now, but with the risk of being made redundant thanks to the COVID-19 crisis, I can't really afford to buy one at the moment, but it's definitely something I'd like to install, do a little video on, see how it goes. I mean, I'm not a DIY person at all. I'm quite novice at this sort of stuff, so if I can do it, then anyone can do it. But yeah, I'll have to wait and see once things calm down, and if my job is stable, and I might look at getting hold of one, and I'll make a video for you guys so you can see if I can do it, you can do it, sort of thing. Oh, just one more thing, guys, as well. I've just been looking at HandsShow's website here, and they do this driver display thing, and now I've had a quick look at some videos online of other people that have used this, and it looks awesome. I won't go into too much detail now about the pros and cons of it, but I can definitely see this being a pro. Again, it's free worldwide shipping, so I strongly recommend getting one of these. There it is, free worldwide shipping including US taxes, blah 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 blah. Yeah, it says global installation services. You don't need it for this though, but looks of things on this, it is very simple kit to install, just plugs into your OBD. So yeah, wicked. I might get myself one of them at some point as well, and definitely do a video on that. So yeah, there's loads of little things on there. Have a look at their website. Again, I'll put the link in the description below and the code. So if you do want to check out their stuff, please go ahead and do so. If you have any questions you want to forward on to them, though, by all means you can contact me or put a message on the Facebook group Model 3 UK, and I'll be happy to pass on those comments to HandsShow for you and see what they say. But that's basically it for today's video. It's a quite short one. It was just to look at the update, the visualizations, and yeah, tell you a little bit about HandsShow that I've got in touch with me and to offer that code out to you guys. I hope you're having a great day. Happy upgrade day to yourselves as well. And oh god, that one really high pitched then. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.